Hey guys, in this unit, you're going to find the missing side of a right triangle by using Pythagorean Theorem. Alright, hey guys, so we're going to learn how to find the missing side of a triangle, but it's important that you know where the hypotenuse is. The hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. It's our largest side of the triangle, okay, and it has to be our C. So make sure that's the first thing you do is you label where your C is. Now it doesn't matter which one's A or B, so I'm just going to call this one A, and I'm going to call this one over here B. Okay? Next thing I like to do is write the formula down. So I'm going to write the formula down for you. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now all I need to do is I need to substitute. So I'm going to plug in A for A since I don't know it. For B, I'm going to plug in 9 because I labeled that B. And for C, I'm going to label in here, which is 14. So A squared plus 9 squared equals 14 squared. Now I just need to start to evaluate it. Well, what is 9 squared? 9 times 9 is 81. So plus 81 equals, well, what is 14 times 14? That's 196. Now I just need to go about solving my equation, solving for A. So I'm going to subtract 81 from both sides, which is going to get me A squared equals 115. And the last thing I need to do is I need to think of, well, what's the inverse of a square or the opposite of a square? I know the opposite of a square is a square root. So I'm going to find the square root of both sides, leaving me with A is about 10.7 units. All right, come and see me if you need any help with this. Okay, now this one we're actually missing the hypotenuse. As you can see, directly across from my right angle is my C, is my hypotenuse, and I don't have my hypotenuse in this one, so I need to solve for it. Again, I'm going to use the same theorem, Pythagorean Theorem, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. It doesn't matter which one's A or B. I'm going to call this one A and this one B, but it doesn't really matter if you switch them around. So that is 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. Now I'm just going to evaluate it. Well, what is 12 squared? 12 times 12 is 144. Plus, well, what is 5 squared? 5 times 5 is 25 equals C squared. Now I just need to combine my like terms. 144 plus 25 is 169 equals the C squared. Now I just need to solve for my variable C, so I need to use inverse operations. What's the inverse of a square? Well, it's a square root. So I'm going to do the square root of both sides. So 13 centimeters equals C. The square root of 169 is 13. So now I know that my C is 13 centimeters. All right, come and see me if you need help with this.